Alright, so had the Vibrant 1119 6-inch round body and the new Vibrant muffler. Don't know what part number is on here. What is this? That's not a part number. Anyway, new Vibrant muffler. Got a slightly longer body on it. Oval, 3-inch straight through. Same design as this. Oval body. This has 20% more internal volume, so it should help deepen the tone a little bit. I'm trying to do this without losing the aggression I got with this one. So a little deeper, maybe a hair more refinement. Trying to keep the aggression that this has with V3. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this put on and get some clips.
We'll try, feel it, breathe and feel it alive. Hey! Equal length thunder, now it's locked and loaded. Every weakness corroded. Steel and fire, perfect tone. No second guess.
That's perfect. That's short.
Feel it strike every shift like a mic drop spike. Turn the key, set it free. This is exactly what it's meant to be. When the engine dies, the echo stays. Burned into these typo days. Not just sound when I'm on my own. It's blood, it's steel, it's carved in stone.
All